In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to download and install the latest version of QGIS. Open up a browser and then you type QGIS. You press enter, and then go to the first link, www.qgis.org, and then you click on it, and then click on the download button right here. And here you can choose to donate if you want, but for this case I'm going to skip and go to download. You click on this, and then here on the download page you have the long-term version for Windows and then latest version for Windows, but also you can choose to download for other platforms like Linux, Mac OS, and also source code. So then just click on if you're using Microsoft Windows, just click on latest version for Windows, and then the process will be initiated, and you can see that the download process has been started. So I already have downloaded this setup, so I have it downloaded. So let me just go to downloads, where I have the setup already downloaded, and then I'm going to double click on it. You just need to give it time. So you click next, and then make sure that to check this you accept the terms and conditions, and then click next. So here you can change the installation directory if you want, but for this case I think I'll just stick to the default. So I'm going to click next, and then I'm going to click on install. Now you can see that we have the software already installed. So that's how you install QGIS, and then you can as well place the icon here. Just right click on the application, then click on paste or pin to click on more, then pin to taskbar. So now you have it down here. That's how you install QGIS. See you in the next tutorial.